Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now we have an old coin here from the Russian Empire, from the reign of Tsar Alexander II, the Liberator. He reigned from 1855 to 1881. And we can see here the three Kopecks coin composed of copper with a weight of 9.83 grams and a diameter of 28.36 millimeters. We can see on the middle it's the crown double eagle, double-headed imperial eagle, and below is the denomination 3 kopecks, and up above translates to the copper Russian coin. And on the reverse side, we can see above is the date 1868, and on the middle is the denomination 3 kopecks. It's a mint mark below EM, which signifies the Ekaterinburg mint, and they made around 6,085,833 of this coin. And of course, it's a very very old one. You can see the edge is weeded too, so probably wouldn't have much of this coin nowadays. So yeah, lucky to have one. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a good day.